Most people believe retirement requires decades of work and a massive savings account. But what if you could retire in just 7 years, even if you're starting with $0? It may sound unrealistic, but with the right strategy, smart financial moves, and disciplined execution, you can achieve financial independence much faster than you think. This plan isn't about extreme frugality or risky investments. It's about maximizing your income, reducing expenses, and making your money work for you. Whether you're struggling with debt or just starting your financial journey, this step-by-step guide will help you retire early and take control of your future. Subscribe to Finance Family for more financial strategies. 1. Assess your financial situation and cut expenses. The first step toward early retirement is knowing exactly where you stand financially and taking immediate action to optimize your spending. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't make the necessary changes to free up cash for investing. Track every dollar. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to monitor all income and expenses. This will help you identify wasteful spending, eliminate unnecessary expenses, cancel unused subscriptions, dine out less, and switch to cheaper alternatives for groceries, entertainment, and services. Downsize your lifestyle. Consider moving to a more affordable home, getting rid of a second car, or switching to public transportation to save thousands of dollars annually. Prioritize debt payments. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit cards or payday loans, start paying them off aggressively while making minimum payments on lower-interest debt. Your goal in year 1 is to free up as much money as possible. Every dollar you save can be redirected toward investments that will help you build wealth over time. 2. Increase your income and build an emergency fund. Once you've cut expenses, the next step is to increase your income so you can save and invest more aggressively. Relying on a single income stream isn't enough. You need to boost your earnings. Negotiate a raise or find a higher-paying job. If you've been at your current job for a while, ask for a raise. If growth opportunities are limited, consider switching to a better-paying position. Start a side hustle. There are countless ways to make extra money, such as freelancing, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, or launching an online business. Work overtime or take a part-time job. If possible, increase your working hours temporarily to generate extra cash. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses so you're prepared for unexpected financial setbacks. Your goal in year 2 is to significantly increase your savings rate by boosting your income while keeping your expenses low. This will allow you to start investing heavily in the next phase. 3. Invest aggressively for maximum growth. Now that you have extra cash flow, it's time to put your money to work. The sooner you invest, the faster you can build wealth through compound interest. Max out retirement accounts. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute the maximum amount. This is free money that will grow over time. Open a Roth IRA. This allows you to invest tax-free, which means you keep more of your earnings in the long run. Invest in index funds. The S&P 500 has historically returned 8 to 10% annually, making it one of the safest long-term investment options. Buy dividend stocks. These stocks pay you passive income over time, which can be reinvested to grow your wealth even faster. Consider real estate investments. If you have enough saved, buying a rental property can provide consistent passive income. At this stage, every dollar invested will multiply over time, making early retirement possible. The key is consistency and avoiding emotional decisions during market fluctuations. 4. Eliminate debt and boost passive income. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. Year 4 should be dedicated to eliminating high-interest debt while growing multiple passive income streams. Pay off all non-mortgage debt. If you have credit card debt, car loans, or student loans, now is the time to get rid of them as fast as possible. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off smaller debts first for motivation, while the avalanche method targets high-interest debt first to save money on interest. Invest in passive income streams. Buy dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or other cash-generating assets. Explore alternative investments. Consider peer-to-peer lending, rental properties, or automated online businesses that can generate income without requiring active work. By the end of year 4, your focus should be on completely eliminating debt and increasing passive income sources, so you no longer have to rely solely on earned income. 5. Scale investments and automate wealth building. By year 5, your financial foundation should be strong. Your debts are eliminated, savings are consistent, and you've built an investment habit. Now, it's time to scale up investments and create an automated system for wealth accumulation. Maximize your investment contributions. Now that debt is no longer a burden, channel at least 50 to 70% of your income into investments. The more you invest, the faster you reach financial freedom. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your brokerage accounts, ensuring you invest before spending. Automation eliminates emotional spending and keeps your plan on track. Diversify your portfolio. Balance your investments with stocks, ETFs, bonds, real estate, and alternative assets. Diversification reduces risk and enhances long-term returns. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Max out contributions to 401ks, Roth IRAs, and HSAs to minimize taxes and maximize compound growth. Create passive income streams. Invest in rental properties, dividend stocks, or online businesses to generate reliable, recurring income. This phase is all about accelerating growth. The more automated your system is, the easier financial independence becomes. 6. Increase passive income to cover living expenses. By year 6, your goal is to replace your active income with passive income. This means your investments should be generating enough cash flow to cover a significant portion of your expenses. Track and expand your income streams. Monitor how much you're earning from dividends, rental properties, and other investments. If you're not covering at least 50% of your living costs, work on expanding these streams. Reinvest earnings for faster growth. Instead of withdrawing, reinvest dividends and rental profits to compound your wealth even faster. Explore additional passive income avenues. Look into digital products, affiliate marketing, or royalties for more diverse revenue. Lower your living expenses if needed. If your passive income isn't enough yet, consider downsizing or relocating to a lower-cost area. Build a financial safety net. Keep at least 12 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account as a buffer for unexpected market fluctuations. At this point, you should be very close to financial freedom. If your passive income fully covers your expenses, you're just one step away from retirement. Achieve financial freedom and retire early. By year 7, you've reached the final stage, complete financial independence. Your investments and passive income now provide all the money you need to live comfortably. Review your financial status. Ensure your portfolio, income streams, and savings are stable enough to support you long-term. Decide your post-retirement path. Early retirement doesn't mean you stop working. It means you choose how to spend your time. You could travel and explore new experiences, work on passion projects or hobbies, start a small business or freelance on your own terms, volunteer and contribute to causes you care about. Follow a sustainable withdrawal plan. If living off investments, stick to the 4% rule. Withdraw only 4% of your portfolio annually to ensure your money lasts. Continue growing wealth. Even in retirement, many people keep investing, building businesses, or generating income, ensuring lifelong financial security. By following this 7-year plan, you've broken free from financial stress and built a life of freedom. With discipline and smart money management, anyone can achieve this goal. Like, share, and comment if you're ready to start your journey to financial independence.